A share vastness cost especially equivalent to $4.7390 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, 4.6120. 5.0480. The earlier day close, 4.7790 in a genuinely significant way. The change for the most part was 0.0400, 0.84%, or so they essentially thought. Backwards rate, United States dollars to Axies, which most certainly is very huge. A share boundlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Monday, September 18. Cost $5.38, truly greatest 5.76, least 5.00. A share vastness figure on Tuesday, September 19. Cost $5.46, really greatest 5.84, especially least 5.08. Which sort of is very huge. A share vastness cost forecast on Wednesday, September 20. Cost $5.50, lovely greatest 5.89, especially least 5.12, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share boundlessness conjecture on Thursday, September 21. Cost $5.20, especially most extreme 5.56, least 4.84, which is very huge. In multi-week. A share vastness cost expectation on Friday, September 22. Cost $5.03, most extreme 5.38, certainly least 4.68, which all things considered, is very critical. A share endlessness figure on Monday, September 25. Cost $5.03, exceptionally most extreme 5.38, certainly least 4.68 in a genuinely significant way. A share vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, September 26. Cost $5.00, truly most extreme 5.35, lovely least 4.65 in a kind of significant manner. A share endlessness estimate on Wednesday, September 27. Cost $5.05, by and large most extreme 5.40, genuinely least 4.70 in a genuinely enormous way. A share endlessness cost forecast on Thursday, September 28. Cost $5.03, by and large most extreme 5.38, truly least 4.68. In about 14 days. A share endlessness figure on Friday, September 29. Cost $5.08, truly greatest 5.44, certainly least 4.72, as opposed to prevalent thinking. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, October 2. Cost $5.11, truly most extreme 5.47, lovely least 4.75, which really is very huge. A share vastness gauge on Tuesday, October 3. Cost $5.09, genuinely most extreme 5.45 in every way that really matters, least 4.73 in an unpretentious way. A share vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, October 4. Cost $5.09, extremely greatest 5.45, sort of least 4.73, or so they generally thought. A share endlessness conjecture on Thursday, October 5. Cost $4.90, most certainly greatest 5.24, especially least 4.56, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, October 6. Cost $4.69, lovely most extreme 5.02, kind of least 4.36, or so they explicitly thought. A share vastness gauge on Monday, October 9. Cost $4.57, sort of most extreme 4.89, exceptionally least 4.25, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $4.72, lovely greatest 5.05, especially least 4.39, further appearance. How. A share vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, October 4. Cost $5.09, most extreme 5.45, sort of least 4.73, or so they fundamentally thought. A share vastness conjecture on Wednesday, October 11. Cost $4.70, for the most part greatest 5.03, kind of least 4.37 in an unpretentious way. A share endlessness cost expectation on Thursday, October 12. Cost $4.74, especially greatest 5.07 in every way that really matters, least 4.41. In about a month. A share endlessness gauge on Friday, October 13. Cost $4.71, sort of greatest 5.04 in every practical sense, least 4.38. exhibiting that Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, October 10, cost $4.72, beautiful most extreme 5.05, especially least 4.39. Kind of additional appearance how Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, October 4, cost $5.09, exceptionally most extreme 5.45, least 4.73. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, October 16, cost $4.70, for the most part greatest 5.03, certainly least 4.37, which essentially shows that Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, October 10, cost $4.72, sort of most extreme 5.05, sort of least 4.39. Further appearance how Axie endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, October 4, cost $5.09, greatest 5.45, genuinely least 4.73. Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday, October 17, cost $4.60 in every practical sense, greatest 4.92, by and large least 4.28, or so they thought. United States dollars to Axie today. United States dollars to Axie swapping scale equivalent to 0.2110 coins per $1, which truly is genuinely critical. Today's reach 0.1981 0.2168, which truly shows that Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday, October 11, cost $4.70, truly greatest 5.03, genuinely least 4.37, or so they truly thought. The past AS nearby, 0.2092, showing that Axie limitlessness figure on Thursday, September 21, cost $5.20, kind of most extreme 5.56 in every practical sense, least 4.84, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Change for now plus 0.0018, plus 0.86%, or so they in a real sense thought. United States dollars to Axie cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally is genuinely critical. Dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Monday, September 18, cost 0.186 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.200, genuinely least 0.174, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axie forecast on Tuesday, September 19, cost 0.183 coins, by and large greatest 0.197, really least 0.171 in a kind of enormous manner. Dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Wednesday, September 20, cost 0.182 coins, truly greatest 0.195, especially least 0.170, which truly is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Axie forecast on Thursday, September 21, cost 0.192 coins, most extreme 0.207, certainly least 0.180, showing how us to Axie expectation on Thursday, September 21.